To do a band curl, the setup is honestly probably the most important part. As you can see, as I'm curling here, there's no real tension on the band because the band is too long the way that it was originally set up. In order to get this to a better position, you can tie the band together, you can loop the band around the door attachment multiple times, and then you'll be able to have tension on the band at the bottom of the movement. Ideally from that green line, we want there to be tension on the band from that point. Now, that can be a pain in the butt to set up. So what I like to do personally is I will just actually not use the handle attachment, and I'm just going to place my palms upward while gripping the band and curl up. At the end of the day, if you prefer holding the handles, that's totally fine, but I find this to be a lot easier of a setup. From here, for the actual curl, let's talk about what we're looking for. You're going to stand fairly close to the door attachment and curl just from the elbow to the wrist. We don't want to have the shoulder from the elbow to move forward like I'm showing here. That's what we want to avoid. We don't want that. So just to show you again without the band so you can see what we're avoiding is bringing the elbow forward and backward throughout the movement. Instead, what we're looking to do is from the shoulder to the elbow is going to stay in place, and just from the elbow to the wrist is going to curl upwards. When curling upwards, we do want to make sure that our wrist is nice and stable, so we want to avoid our wrist bending forward or backward throughout the movement. We want our wrist to stay nice and neutral. So again, we want the elbow to shoulder to stay locked in place, just bending at the elbow to the wrist, but that wrist is in a nice, strong, neutral position. Now, just to give you another angle here so you can see this a little bit closer up, again, from the shoulder to the elbow, nice locked in place, pulling upwards on that band, controlling the movement throughout it. I'm not using a ton of momentum. My elbows are not swinging forward and backward. Palms are facing upward throughout the entire movement, and we're controlling this, not using momentum.